Hey traders, welcome to wetradewaves weekly forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to wetradewaves channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. Last week was amazing, and we hope all of you made money as almost all the pairs moved as expected. For DXY, we forecasted this down wave, we forecasted this up, correction, up, and last week we said market will go down and then up again. This is exactly what market did. And all of these forecasts, guys, are here on our YouTube channel. Let me show you first of all this one. This was the forecast and market went down. Now let me show you this. This was the forecast. We said up, correction, and up. This is exactly what market did. And then last week, this is what we said. Down and then up again. Only wave analysis is powerful enough to give you this edge and this accuracy. 6 waves in advance. Anyway, we hope all of you who trade DXY made money in this down wave and in this up wave as well. And those of you who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, why from here we said down and then up and not total fall? Because the way we look at waves is different. And before we go to YouTube and we share our forecast, we analyze the charts based on our concept, and we also look at fundamental analysis and macroeconomic factors. So our concept is a complete system that can give you an edge. What next for DXY? We are expecting a corrective structure, one more push up. All of you who are buying above this top, you have to take partial profits. So here's a tip for you. It's always good to take profits. If not full profits, at least partial profits. Euro dollar for this one, also we said we are expecting an up wave and then a drop. And we know that a lot of you trade euro dollar. So if you remember this forecast and you made money, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. Now why we said this up and then down after that? Because the way we look at corrective structures is different. What I mean by that? As example, most of you who knows wave analysis, they look for flats at 3, 3, 5. For us, it's a different story. And once you know the difference between impulsive structure and corrective structure and the characteristics of each one of them and each pattern, everything will change. And I hope all of you can see the power of wave analysis. So if you are able to forecast this up wave and this down wave, this is only one part. In addition to that, you have to know how to trade correctly. Now, in order to trade correctly and win on a consistent basis, you have to have a correct mindset. And this part is related to psychology. Also, this part is covered on our course. A lot of you have joined our June course. And those of you who want to participate, you won't miss anything. Any live session that we did, it was recorded. So, all of you who were selling euro dollar, now is the time to take partial profits. What we are expecting next? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another down wave. So it's up to you to take profits, move your stops to break even, or close your position. Those of you who want to learn and master our wave analysis concept, you can join our June course. We will share with you all our knowledge, we will train and guide you, and you will get a lifetime access to our private Slack group and our in-depth analysis service. Remember, it's an interactive course and a lot of live sessions will be conducted. The guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. Few days left because soon we will stop taking new payments for June course. Anyway, all the details are on our website, course page. Pound dollar for this one, from here we said we are expecting pound dollar to spend some time here within this sideways move. Do you remember that? Exactly from here, we knew that pound dollar will spend time within this sideways move. Now, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. You remember this one, right? After this up wave, market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. We've made money in this down wave, and then market went up. Last week, we said we are expecting market to go up, give us a corrective structure, and more up. Why? Because we were expecting this to be a complete corrective structure. Now, on last Sunday session, we said, guys, we are expecting this to push up. Market went up, it gave us this corrective structure, and it went back up. During the week, the structure started to change. We've got this down wave, we've got this up wave, and we updated all our Sunday session members about this trade. This was the update. Stop the video, read it, and then continue. After this up move, market went down. What next? We are expecting an up wave for another down move. Those of you who are not in, you leave it for now. Leave it, let the market unfold, and after this structure, we will update you. What is this structure and why pound dollar will be going to the downside, not upside? T will explain you this in details on Sunday session. Now for those of you who are new and don't know about our subscription service, all the details are on our website homepage, or you can find the link in the description under this video. And by the way, these are the lists that are covered on every Sunday. YouTube list as in-depth analysis, indices, other forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and requests. And starting from this Sunday, we will be putting a timestamp for those lists. Aussie dollar for this one, we said last week we are expecting market to go up and then down. Go back and check our previous video. Market went up and now it's falling. Amazing, right? All of this, guys, is based on knowledge and experience. And we hope all of you are taking advantage of our forecasts. What next? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another drop. All of you who took this sell, you can take profits or move your stops. Dorian for this one, market went down. Now we are getting a corrective structure for another fall. Market can go up to break this top one more time. This is not expected, but this is a possibility. Breaking this top or not, we will be looking for our sell setups only. And on our Sunday session here, we said dollar yen can go up to break this top and you look for sell setups. This is exactly what market did. Anyway, for this one, this is a corrective structure to the upside for another drop. Because of this structure, market can push up to break this top one more time, and if that happens, another sell setup. Is that clear? No matter what the market will do, we will look for our sell setups for dollar yen. New Zealand dollar, one more forecast. We said up and then down. This is exactly what market did. It went up and then it went back down very sharp. What next? Corrective structure, another drop. All of you are selling, you take profits or you move your stops. In all the cases, this was a great trade. Those of you who made money last week, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section, guys. And here is another tip for you. After big win or streak of wins, take a break. And remember this, we won't be right 100% and we will never claim that. We are not controlling the market and you should not follow anyone blindly, even us. Pound yen for this one, even we are at the top of the previous structure, market is going to the downside slowly. What this means? Another up wave, correction, one more push up. After this up move, we will update you. At the moment, we can see pound yen going up for next week. Yes, all for this one, we were expecting market to drop. It gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. Another correction, one more push up, another drop. After this down wave, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, another up. For this structure, guys, any new high will be the potential last high. And those who trade US oil, anytime you get a sell setup, you can go for the sell setup. Those who are investing, it's a different story. You wait this one to drop and then you buy it cheaper. Again, those who are trading US oil, you look for sell setups. You do not jump in unless you know what you are doing. This is a known structure to us. Gold, for this one, market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. After this up wave, we said, guys, another push-up is coming to break this top. And we said, after this top, we will look for our sell setups one more time. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, and some of our traders, guys, got in exactly at this point. And they posted this as trade setup internally in the Slack. Anyway, market went up. This was a sharp up wave after dollar news, and market stopped here, started this down wave. So what next? We are expecting a correction for another drop now. Why? The structure has been changed. And this is why I always say analysis is only one part. If you know how to trade correctly and your analysis are wrong, you can still make money or at least get out for break even, or the worst case scenario, it should be small loss. I am always, guys, repeating small loss because big loss shouldn't be an option. Those of you who are serious about trading and wants to go to the next level, you can join our June course and get access to all the resources. We know that some of you might not be able to afford it, but our time and knowledge have value. Now, what next for gold? If market will correct upwards, another drop. Correction, another drop. The structure has been changed in the middle for this. If you have any question, you can ask us live on Sunday session. Dollar CAD, for this one, this wave was slow. And the way market was going here, we did not like it. Hence we said this might go to the downside one more time. Down, correction, down. We will not sell. We are only focusing on our buy setups. And market shoot up. All of this, guys, is understanding market behavior, bigger picture, market makers and retail traders, footprints. And I hope, guys, all of you are watching the short videos posted by our team. If you are here to take our forecast as a signal service, you will end up with a loss. Forex trading is tough, but once you master it, once you learn it correctly, then it will be easy for you. Before that, you will lose. You might get lucky once or twice, but at the end, if you don't know what you are doing, you will lose. What next for dollar CAD? We are expecting a corrective structure downwards for another up wave. And this is why I was saying from here, every new low will be the potential last low. Silver, for this one, the way market is going to the upside, we do not like it. We know some of you are already in the buy, you move your stops and let market unfold. Even though we can see silver going down, do not close your trade. Move it to break even and let market takes you out. If this will be going down, after this down wave, we will look for our buy setups one more time. And remember, the structure here, it might be more complex than that. What I mean by this? After this up wave, we might be getting another drop and then up again. All in all, this will be a corrective structure downwards. Bitcoin, for this one, I hope all of you remember what we said last week. Wave analysis works on every single tradable asset on every single time frame. And we said last week from here, we are expecting a drop. Market went down, and this was a structure to us. We were expecting Bitcoin to fall under this level, but market went down, it went back up. This changes the structure. For what? Correction, another up wave now. So this is what we are expecting next for Bitcoin. Corrective structure downwards for another up move. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. And by the way, guys, our June course is an interactive course. Once you make the payment, you will be added to our private Slack group and you will receive instructions on how to access the course materials in order to be ready for the live and practical sessions. And remember this, guys, the guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.